7 different versions today. The best way to connect where we are, where we need to be, is the most visual. Let's pull the entire team to the middle of the panel and then spread it back out. Okay, so the formation ends up looking like that. For a second. So it's hard to visualize what these teams look like, so I'm going to start in the middle to make sure I'm not wrong. Instead of yes? Yes. So it'll go like your flyer, your backside, your flyer, like kind of in sequence of what I think is going to be the most visual way to move it, but I have to see it for myself. So I'm just going to stay right here. There are 14 of us in a straight line in the middle. With Lizzie.
When she calls her name, go there.
And then Ella. And then Lauren. And then Nina. And then Allie. And then Caitlin. Emily. Lena. Isabel. Anna. Kenna. Melissa. Chloe. David. Equal distance from the person in front of you. Give me a solid 24 inches between the front of your foot and the back of the person.
24 inches. You got that?
21.
Who do you want this to be the dead center of the foot?
It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Emily and Lena split 50 yard line. So the front people need to scoot up some.
Yeah, there's ways.
This is the 50 yard.
Okay, and then for the base leg,
Are you kidding?
you're going to go every other person. So it's like person, scoot a person, person, scoot a person, person. So it goes Libby, scoot a please. Macy, 15. Roman.
Quarter or I think line. Right now.
So
You're in between the people.
Megan,
every two, every other.
Louise, be in the center of that. Becca. Yeah, she's in the front.
So you're all in. And then
You're in between.
And then Shay. Everybody say a silent prayer.
Out.
Okay.
I ain't playing with you.
So, I need 4. Let's say in my mind, it's a long way for Chloe to have to go from middle to back. You're essentially going to jump in Chloe, Sky, and yes. So, you two come from the opposite side. So, Chloe's going to jump. She's going to turn around. She's going to jump in on Addison Sky. Do this little there like with a half turn. And then everybody's coming from the back center of McKenna's basket's going to thread underneath that thread to get to yours in the shortest amount of time possible. Are you see what I'm saying? So I want you to visualize where you're going to make what's happening next, which is the hand-to-hand life. Like look around. This isn't crazy looking the first time you try to do this. Because we're going to all jump in. Like Chloe's kind of already up. She's in the back. Like, go ahead.
let's put her in a prep, y'all. Thank you so much.
Okay, awesome.
No, it clicks for me too, Kelly.
All right, so we're just gonna jump in on, just jump into a squish on 1, 2, I want you to jump in. 1, 2, 3, start moving on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and I want you to just try to be where you are for the hand-to-hand.
Okay.
Like picture on the floor so the people, so it should flail out symmetrically, but then as we go that way, we have to push that direction, and then as we go this way, we have to move up. So it's like, so it just kind of matches as it goes.
And hands are going to switch now too,
Yeah,
right?
we're all just going to squish so we can just do it. So I'm going to go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want you to go. Jump in. 1, 2, 3, start moving. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. I need you to be there on 3. This is the hand that's over there. And this is the hand that's over here. So we're like, we did it with ketchup bottles and glasses today, but it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we like. It looks great on our
So basically,
Here we go. Jumping in on 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a squish. 7, go. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, like work so hard. Go back, some people. Go back.
6, 7, 8, so stay on.
Ask me another question.
She switched prep people around in the pyramid,
I
not like.
switched prep people because we were coming from before this because I figured they weren't really attached to that.
Yes.
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 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jump in.
1, 3, 4. Yep, stay right there.
Look at us.
Nope.
1, arms. This has to be precise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I love it. It looks just like the ketchup bottles. And I'm moving it up now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1.
Okay, just make sure we're going to the right spot.
No, I think you need to be on the line, Emily.
So moving backwards into our jump formation. We're going to have to play around with her, but I'm just mostly trying to get numbers, okay? So, I'm just going to stand right at the beginning. That's it. This is Ella, right here. Good. Like right here. Good. Lacey, go right here. Lacey, go right here. And then Alina, go here. And Allie, go here. And Beth, go here. Oh, you're right. All right, Shay, you're here. Yep. Kayla, C, you're here. Chloe, you're here.
Guys, move your people. Haley C.
You're here.
Chloe, your center.
There's 4 of us that can take sides. This is where you coach us. And
Your jump spot's over here, Kayla.
yeah. You have to.
Take a knee if she just put you somewhere, so we can see the formation.
So that's 1, 2. That's that row. That's that row. Then this is Bella, Louise, skip row, skip row, Brooklyn, Emily, Isabel. Kayla has to. Kayla, after you do this, like, are you a front double, girl? So you're gonna have to front double. We'll have to sneak you around because 2 of those back spots have to go back there and not jump. So we're gonna have to we'll have to sneak you around. Set. Okay, so let's stretch your jump out. Really fast.
Where are we stuck? We don't know. Where are we stuck?
3, 4, 5, that's 7, go 1.
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1. Okay, so it'll be 3. So 1, dip 3, 5, dip 7, 1. No, it's 5. But we need to have the numbers to add the extended, but not have to do it. So we should take a little more time. Let's make this. This is 1, 2, 3 for the moment. 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that 1? And then we double down. 3, 5. Keep going with Chloe. So Chloe goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. She's 3, 4, 5. Is that right? 7.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out what number we can jump on. You can't just nod it. You have to mark it with me. So we're going. You're tapping. 1, 2, 3. We said 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Back up. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Move 1.
So this is 3. Okay. So let's go. So then, Rachel, Kayla, Brooklyn, and Lise, if I did this right, when we move, we'll have to give you choreo that shifts your lanes. So you symmetrically go to the other side together. And I think everybody else is right. So mark that so it's 1, this is 3, so think about it. 5, 6, 3, 7. Up 1, 2, 3, hit 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, jump in. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 3, 4, hit 5. And then we get better at it, it'll be 1. Set? In my dreams, Chloe goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, hit 4, 5, 6, 7. She grabs 1, 2, she grabs Addison and Sky, and she jumps in.
Dip.
Jumps in, and she's like this, and then all my, and she's just walking backwards as it's happening, and we are.
Caitlin and y'all, yeah.
Yeah,
And go in order of who's going to be.
And then I think Anna we'll just, we got pieces together. Let's move the front half of the mat this time to get to your spots with the shifts. And Chloe, just come right here and just grab on this side and ask them to stay right here. Mark it 6, 7.
Sharper.
1, 2,
Arms.
3, hit 4, 5, 6.
Squeeze. Move.
1, 2, 3,
Dip.
5, 6, 7, 8, go 1. Yeah. All right. Good. Again, during jump because we're not tumbling out of it, and then you can move to the front. Back up. That's what I'm trying to say.
Hey guys, if I run into anybody, I'm just trying to beat her for a second so I can figure out the best time.
Hear you, Brett. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Arms on 3.
Can you do that one more time, and then I don't want Brooklyn and Luis to move yet.
Perfect. Yeah, let me move first
Let's
and then follow you.
don't even go into the files at all. We just want to see what that looks like really quickly. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're just like so they could come in, or we can try to get them to do one jump switch though.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Y'all can move on one now. You should be good.
Okay, I need Chloe to like jump and like give it to us and be the front. I do not want her to jump and go like this to the front. Go back. Put her in. Yes. Not twisting shoulder nose.
1,
Sharp 3, sharp arms, sharp arms.
And then 8 go 1, 2, 3,
Sharp arms, hold 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And just, you can't move on 7, because in real life you're
Big
jumping.
toe touch and then move on the same number before you've landed back on the ground. So
You don't get to move
let's
it to
try
1.
that again. 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Lifting 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1. Out 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Good. 1. Keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Present. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up in 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. I love it.
Formation.
1, 2. Make sure that Emily and you guys be beside them because they have to get behind you and around, so we're not trying to. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Middle of the section. 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Hit
7, 8.
7. Bigger.
1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Down.
5, 6, 7.
Smile.
3, 4, 5, 7. Going 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Then we're over here. Out. We're not that far up with you guys.
Good job, y'all.
It's so
Okay,
good.
those are pretty.
So all of that connects to everything that we did previously. So now I'm going to teach you what happens before the inversion, which is the only new. We start with baskets. And then we're going to do some pyramid flips that take us into this part. So the faster we can accomplish these two sections connected gives us space and time where we need it the most when we get all the ten to spread it out. Makes sense? So fast is like ASAP. Isabel, Rachel, Brooklyn, Becca, and McKenna right here. This is Caitlin, Heather, Chanel, Chloe, and Lizzie are in the front spot. And this is Lauren, Bella, Libby, Alina, and Hendry front spot. Megan, you're standing behind me. Ella, you're standing in the middle because we'll have to add the fifth basket for worlds, but right now we're just 3. Okay? Makes sense?
I'll get y'all in a second.
Okay.
So we'll go 5. Analyze the space for me. Space for me. Yeah. And we'll get 5, chin, 7, 8. Grab 1, pop, 2.
Megan, come back this basket. Kayla, back this basket. Isabel, front that basket. And then it's not that Kayla that was on that side. It's this Kayla. So I messed that up.
7, 5, chin, 7, 8. Grab the hands. We'll have the left side. We'll go 1. Gonna pop 2 to the side. And you're gonna spin 3, 4. So you'll be that way. You'll be behind the first. Like you'll stay on the line. Just spin it. 3, 4. 3, 4. Spin out. 5, 6. To the front. 5, 6. And then we'll go out. 7, 8. 6.
Well, hello.
Ready? And we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Chin, 7. Go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. After that, we're doing 3 fingers crossed front folds that go. We're trying to flip, and flip. So then we get flips this direction and we're starting the next step. So it goes. So it is. So I really need everybody to invest in your back sliding skills that are not back sliding. Because you have to throw And this is Chloe White, Caitlin, and Mackenzie.
I mean, that was super fast.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And 1. We're moving. Gotcha. Kayla!
I think you can walk a little bit.
Okay.
That was good.
Well, that's what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Push away.
1. Keep walking.
Down. I don't think you have to drive your heels so much.
So we are walking.
How y'all throw this?
Keep walking, Craig. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and lift.
So in real life, these are front pulls. So might as well go ahead and do it.
They're not going to walk. It's not moving.
I do not want the prep to move. Okay?
Press not moving, so you can't get a little closer. Get even a little closer because they're not moving, so she's not going to be able to reach that.
No, we're just front laying.
You do not have to watch it. Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow. Good job.
So then get used to just catching and getting set. Does that make sense? This is going to be great. She connects. There's no arch because we're going to front full. Good, Anna? All right, who's going to front full first?
7, 1.
Okay.
All right. These are great.
So we're going 1, going 3, 4, 5. Then she got, I like McKenna go last. So 1, you go 3, McKenna goes 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5 out, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, go 2, go 3.
Oh, that's so much fun. That's a lot.
You are, Becca can put Emily in, and Bella can put Allie in, and then Allison can put Chloe in. Just put her in and then step over so that that just gets in a little more solid.
Good to
Chloe is the rest of that sentence. Ready? And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Hop in 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good.
Bling, bling, bling.
Okay, now stand up.
On the way to the ring.
And we're gonna stay here. We're gonna kind of catch their booty. We're gonna dip. We're gonna go swoosh. I really just want to go to the ground, but I don't want anybody's ankle to roll. So, do you see the idea?
Yeah.
Just transfer to where she is.
I have a question.
Yeah. So let's push that first. Okay, makes sense? I want to see what that ripple looks like to go 1, 2, 3 this time. So we don't lose the front pulls. Again. Look, we're going to go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Look, 7. Great to dip 1. Again, it goes 1, front foot 3, yard 5, 6, 7. Go 1, go 2, go 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5.
Look.
Down 1. 4,
5, 6, 7, and 1. We're smiling. 3, 4. You got it. 6, 7. Grab it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look. 7.
go 1.
What's up, kiddo? How you doing, man? I heard you in there playing. Was you having fun in there? Oh, no, hold on. You want to tie this? Yeah.
I can't tie it when you're sitting down.
Don't choke me.
Okay, just
Oh, good. That's good. That feels good.